Foreign investors are permitted by regulation to participate in cash delivered contracts. Some of our contracts are physically delivered and some are cash delivered. That's currently on our energy contracts. Natural gas and crude oil. That's the regulation as we speak. Even this participation is quite recent in nature. So this could change over time as the whole process settles in.
Tell us about MCX.
So MCX is focused on commodity derivatives trading in India. 20 years old, established a good footprint across multiple segments, and trades about $30 billion of turnover on a daily basis. So if you look at the segments in which it operates, it's got the precious metals, the bullion, the base metals, energy, and agriculture. So it's across this spread that the commodity derivatives market operates in.
What is the client base of MCX?
There is commercial hedgers who come to the platform for price risk management, investors, financial institutions, proprietary investors, as well as retail investors. And recently, the market has also opened up to foreign investors.
Are you looking to launch any new products?
So the base of products is quite a range as we speak now, and it's doing well. So we've grown about 70% year on year on daily turnover basis, going by last quarter numbers. But we are also looking to expand the products, commodities in which we are operating, to really look at some of the new spaces. For example, electricity. Power is something subject to final regulatory approvals. That's very much top of mind. It's very interesting because it's a domestic product with both production and consumption happening in the country. We are sort of at 1.7 million megawatts, the third largest power market. There is a reasonable amount of volatility, so there is a requirement for price risk management. We really think that both producers, distribution companies, as well as large users of power, the corporate and institutional users, will all benefit from participating in this. We are also working on some of our indices. So we've got the bullion index, the Bulldex, which has gold and silver as a composite. And we've got the metal dex, which has got all the base metals as composites. So you've got copper, aluminium, zinc, lead, and steel. We're looking at having, they run on futures now. We're looking at really expanding that and also bringing in options over these indices.
Do you have any mini contracts?
Yes, there are. The energy contracts both have a mini version. But interesting what we do, for example, on the bullion side with gold. So we have the main contract, which is a 1 kg contract, but there's also a mini, there is a Guinea, and there is a Petal. The Petal is a cute 1 gram. So 1 gram, 8 grams, 100 grams, and then there is the kg. So this really permits a lot of different kind of participants who are wanting to look at those kind of sizes.
How does clearing work?
We clear through the MCX Clearing Corporation. So that's a 100% subsidiary of MCX. There are clearing members, a large number of clearing members. Some of our broker members clear themselves, and there are others who then offer clearing services to the larger industry.
What does the broker space look like?
It's an evolving space. So there are brokers who are very retail-oriented. Retail consumers do trade on apps, be it on equity or commodity. And we do see that as a growth segment in the country.